How to install and use the Excel add-on. So here I've got it on the website here. This is an add-on for Batch and Print Pro. Now click here to download the trial. Click open when done. Now double click on the install exe. Click next. Finish. So that's now installed. So now I'm going to run the software. So now that's up and running. So I'm going to add an Excel file to the list. So I'm going to click add single file to list. And then in my desktop I've got test 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to click that one. Now if you right mouse on it, click add-on setup. It then goes into the setup for the Excel add-on. So you can set the, like the DPI or pause and various other things in there, header and footer. Say if I want 300 DPI, click save and exit. If I scroll across, you can see the settings that have been set for the add-on parameters. Now I can copy those so it defaults to that every time an Excel document is added. So do that by right mousing on it, copy add-on parameters to clipboard, click yes. Now in here go to the Excel add-on, right mouse paste. So now the settings are set, so every time I add an Excel file it will set the settings. So I'm going to add another single file to show you what I mean. So that's now added. It calculates the pages. The pages include sheets, so it can print all the sheets all the time. And then once it's set up, you click print. So you click file, print setup, which is set correctly, and then click print. To scroll across, if I scroll across I can see the settings that have been set, and that's the file printed on the printer. So it's those two files there. Give it a try.